another video. I'm Megan.
I'm Brianna.
And we are sisters, super into K-pop. We're super into NCT. It is actually, I say super, we love their music. Like, especially me. I think Brianna does like their music quite a bit, but for me, NCT is a group whose music, like, they can never go wrong on their music. They're just totally my taste in music. But we do need to get more familiar with NCT, like their personalities. I want to say that we don't know too much about their personalities. I know like a little bit about them here and there, but we could definitely dive into NCT more, which is what we're hopefully doing from here. So this is NCT trying Thai snacks. I'm going to guess that this came up for them with 10 because 10 is Thai. We love 10. 10 is like gorgeous and super talented in just every way possible, but definitely on his dancing. Oh, I'm excited and I'm ready. Let's do this. Thai snacks? I don't even know if I know anything about like Thai snacks.
여기 안에 우리가 좋아하는 것들이 잔뜩 들어있어요. 자, 하나, 둘, 셋.
Oh my gosh.
오, 나 사실 제가 이거 제일 좋아. 이거 오늘 한 3개 먹었어. 아, 이거 라이스 크래커 with spicy pork floss. 오케이.
What?
What? Try some of these.
I would try it.
나는 현감사면 왼쪽. 오케이. 코코넛 비슷한 느낌.
Okay, so this is just some of the guys. Ooh, coconut, my favorite.
지금 생각해놓은 게 있죠. 여기 있다. 찾았다네. 와. 저는 이거 한테
Lay's? What flavor?
이게 마지막 접니다.
For us, it looks like sour cream and
Lay's
onion.
from Thailand. Yeah, those look like sour cream and onion for the US.
Oh, that's so weird.
What was it?
The Lay's, it's like,
Oh, it is!
이거랑 맛이 똑같은지 한번 먹어보도록 하겠습니다. 그러면은
Is that a shake?
이 브랜드는 파티요, 파티.
Party.
어떤 브랜드? 이거는 뭔가 맛이가 소울 카라멜 같은 거.
Ooh, that sounds so good. I'm assuming 10 has tried these. Wow. Look at you, Tay.
하나, 둘, 셋. 와, 좀 소울 카라멜 소울.
이 맛이 되게 익숙한 맛.
Is it sweet? I would hope it's sweet, but that sounds really good. I love salted caramel stuff.
파티 피고.
Party people. Subancha.
이거 기대돼요, 이거 아주 기대돼요, 이거.
Later in our channel, we need to do like.
I didn't even notice that was him until just now.
Later in our channel, we need to do like
Tasting food.
yeah.
I would love that.
ASMR 해볼게요. 오랜만에 한번. 우와.
여기 컵에 보면 여기는 태국 고추장 같은 거.
Oh no.
살.
뜯었다.
동생아.
나 이거 고소하지 않아요?
I just turned this into an ASMR video. He said other than the smell.
저건 진짜 맛있을 수밖에 없어. 크리스피 롤.
Oh, I want to try that so bad. I love coconut.
ASMR. 크림 없고?
No cream. He was expecting cream.
That looks kind of good though.
Everyone, I want to taste it. I love coconut anything. The smell.
It looks like taquitos.
They do, but they're like hollowed out with no meat.
That's what I thought they were first. Like, I was like, wait. But there's like no meat in them. I don't know.
That'd be weird though, because they're coconut flavored.
I want to try that.
Ew. I mean, I would try that.
중간에 그런 뭐 설탕 크림, 우유 크림.
Ooh, that sounds good.
이거 그거 같다.
Are they soft?
사로. 맛있다. 이미 먹었어.
와 뭐야?
이거 진짜 다른 종류
Oh, Win-Win started early.
이거 종류 진짜 처음 먹어보고.
What flavor?
과자기의 서브웨이. 저게
What flavor? What did he say that was?
레이는 전 세계 브랜드인데 태국은 뭔가 스페셜한 맛이 많아.
혹시 먹어본 맛이다. 맛 자체가. 네. 맛이 진짜 많아.
Why is the bag open like
맛이
that?
다 있어. 진짜 요리야.
그럼 나중에 바보.
I don't know.
Bothers me.
자 이제 제 것도 한번 뜯어볼게요.
I've seen somebody open just the corner and pull it off. Before?
네네네.
설탕도
Yeah.
있고
We probably just have our own ways of opening bags.
근데 뭐 없어도 괜찮아. 내가 더 맛있는 방 봐줄게. 그냥 이렇게 먹으면 돼요.
안 돼.
Oh, you can eat it like that or put water in it?
숟가락 주세요.
But is it a shake?
가져가서 꼭 따서 그냥
It looks like a shake. Like,
가끔 이렇게 먹으잖아. 이거 똑같. 이거 그렇게 먹어.
컵밖에 없어요?
네, 형도 빨리.
아 그리고 요즘 popcorn 먹는 얘기.
I'm so confused what this is.
근데 선두주자들은 그 라이프랑 먹으러 먹겠네.
he said, but leaders eat with this.
Wait, so it's like a powder, but you can also put water.
No, you're gonna cough.
이렇게 더 맛있고.
He
근데 우리 타 먹어야 돼요. 딱 밀크티에서.
He said this needs to be.
It's like if we had hot
Thai tea.
water.
It has a scent of Thai tea. I love Thai tea.
So it's like if we had cocoa powder.
Yeah, I'm thinking like a protein shake. I mean, I'm sure it's not a protein shake, but I couldn't imagine just like taking it like that.
아 많긴 많다. 오, 야 되게 많이 넣네 내가. 근데 다 섞였어 이미. 냄새 이렇게 좋아. 진짜 아니 이제 갖고 가져가 달렸어.
It looks like Thai tea.
먼저 먹어봐요. 진짜.
It's kind of orangish.
아 너무 좋아. 너무 좋아. 너무 좋아. 이렇게요.
조금 더.
10 like that.
아 내가 봤을 때 여기에 얼음 들어가면 지가 망했어. 얼음 들어가면 완벽했어. 얼음 들어. 근데
Then you would love it.
아니 이게
The
내가
ice.
Yeah.
내가 이거를
Love
여기서
ice.
진짜 많이 먹었다니까. 아 태일이 형 반했네. 태일이 형 반했네.
I want to try it.
So cute.
이거 잘 넣으셔야 돼요 여러분.
ครับวันนี้นะครับเต้นก็พาเพื่อนๆ NCT คนมาลองกินขนมไทยกันครับก็ขนมไทย
Yeah.
I want to try some.
I do too.
Well, that was fun. I don't understand what flavor the Lays were. The chips, I don't know. I think they said that they were a specific flavor and I didn't understand what that was. Maybe I'll have to just look it up, but
I don't think I read it fast enough. I don't know.
it was going pretty fast. They were kind of all talking at once. That was fun to watch. Those are very different kind of snacks than we have here, of course. It's very interesting to see snacks from like different parts of the world. I've honestly never tried any Thai snacks, so I think that we for sure would like be willing to try some sometime. We'll have to look into like where we can get some from. Well, this is really fun to watch. I do like seeing NCT videos where they interact because I feel like I don't watch them enough. So if you do have any NCT videos where they interact, or maybe even like a pretty good like guide to, comment it down below. We would love to get into more of the personal side of NCT as we really are very familiar with their music. But yeah, love these guys. It's so good to see 10 with them. I feel like I just don't see 10 with NCT that often, so it's nice to have him in there. We love 10. We hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below if you haven't already. Click the notification bell because we do post daily, and we will see you next time here at K-Classes. Bye!
내가 하고 싶은 것들은 뭐지? 술 먹고 꽈라대든 뭘 하든 하고픈 거 하는 거지. 다른 건 다 괜찮아 내게 자유 하나면 되지. 어딜 가고 어디서 뭘 하든 모두 내 맘이야 하지. 하지만 내 직업 상창 연패면 이미 죽은 시체.